The whole family dynamic has been repaired. And that's kind of like where my testimony goes into, is just, wow, God can really heal family relationships. He really can. My name's Jadyn. I moved around a lot, but I'm in Arizona right now. The biggest thing was coming out of anxiety, mild depression, and like a small eating disorder. Because of that anxiety, messed up how I thought about food. And then repairing my family relationship and dynamics, because that was chaos. Home was chaos when we came. There's a lot of conflict. Long story short, my biological mom died when I was 3, and my sister after me was 1.5 years old. My dad remarried when we were 6 and 4, and that had a lot of beautiful moments in it, but there was a lot of rejection or just not knowing how to love each other properly or express that properly. So I got into a relationship when I was like 16, and through that, I don't know what happened, what triggered it, but lots of anxiety just started manifesting in that, fear of abandonment and rejection and just not knowing how to be who I was and figuring out my personality and all that stuff. And that carried into my junior year of high school. And that was just, I didn't make a lot of friends because other 16-year-old girls don't know how to deal with someone who's always in their head. And I realized here that was all that unloving yucky puckies of rejection and abandonment and fear manifesting in me. It wasn't actually that I had a problem or that they were the problem or that they didn't like me or something like that. It was just all lies from the enemy. The righteous man falls 7 times and gets back up. Things haven't been perfect, but huge victory. No more panic attacks. I think I maybe had like one tiny one that tried to flare up, but I have the weapons for victory now, so I nipped that in the bud. No more depression. Anxiety used to like cripple me to where I wasn't able to get things done, and now that doesn't happen. And I did great in school. I was a part of social activities. I made friends. I was a part of the play. My family is getting along way better. We still get into arguments sometimes, but they're like 7-minute arguments instead of 7-hour or 7-week arguments. So the whole family dynamic has been repaired. And that's kind of like where my testimony goes into, is just, wow, God can really heal family relationships. He really can. The biggest thing was forgiveness, being able to forgive each other and walk out of that fear and into the truth that God has for my life. And that was really the biggest thing. It's great now. We're ministering to people. We've touched people's lives wherever we've moved, because they look at our family like, how do you guys get along so well? I don't get along with my adult children. What do you guys do? And we're like, you know what? First of all, God's good, but there's also this ministry, Be in Health. And we're able to tell people about that. And people have had their lives changed in the last 3 years of us walking in victory. If it's not all that in a bag of chips, if it isn't the big healing thing that you think it's gonna be, it's a week. It's 1 week out of the rest of your life. I'd say risk it for a biscuit. If it does do all the miraculous things that you hear from this testimony and all the other testimonies, helps God move in your life, it's 1 week, and that's amazing. It can change the whole course of the rest of your life. But if not, if it's nothing, if it's all wishy-washy, it's a week. It's worth the risk. Just do it and see for yourself. When I was coming here, I had dealt with a lot of rejection from the church, and I felt not accepted, and there was a lot of people that said, hey, we're gonna be there for you and we're gonna help you, and they weren't. So when I came here, I was like, oh, Be in Health. They're gonna be all just like the rest of the churches I've been to and not accept me, and they were gonna be all whatever, and they weren't. They weren't at all. It took me a couple days to realize that and to warm up, but they were welcoming. They didn't condemn me. They didn't shun me for anything like that. And I've actually felt the love of the Lord here so much that I haven't felt anywhere else. And my family has felt the love of the Lord here, and we just keep coming back. This is my 4th time here because it's just awesome, because they're like spiritual peers and awesome, loving Jesus people. So if you're afraid or if you've dealt with rejection from the church, don't let that be a reason you don't come.